This is my unboxing and first impressions of the Dell Latitude 3470. If you do require a specific selection, please choose one of the following. If not, you can carry on watching the full video. In this unboxing, I'm going to undo the little flap at the front, pull the main flap back gradually, that's it, and then the inner flap open and the left and right flaps fully open. There is a piece of cardboard that you will need to remove to access the full unit. The accessories consist of a quick start guide, which contains how to use Windows 10 briefly. This is Windows 7 on this model. A Windows 7 resource, in this case 10 resource media, even though Windows 7 is on the device. Windows 10 Pro recovery CD. This is a downgraded version of Windows 10 to Windows 7. This is safety and regulatory information, so laws, so on, to comply with the laptop compliant. This is a 3-pin power cable for the transformer or power brick, and this is the power brick transformer itself. It doesn't come with a light, this model, unfortunately. This is the main laptop itself, so you need to open it with 2 pieces of plastic tape, and you can just slide it directly out the bottom. After having a quick look at the laptop, we notice it has a very good feel to it. We are greeted on the right hand side with a VGA port, a USB 2 port, and an SD card reading slot. There's also a Kensington lock on that side. We have a 4-cell battery at the bottom. On the left side we have a power connector, a Realtek gigabit port, a 1.4 version HDMI, 2 super speed USB 3 ports, and a headphone combo microphone jack. At the front we have 3 activity lights, including hard drive power and so on. At the front we also got 2 left and right speakers, and then if we look at the bottom we have 2 ventilation ports, as well as the big battery and a lock to remove it. And if we look at the bottom of it, we've also got another ventilation slot. I'm just showing how you can remove the battery now using the clip. As you can see, it does pick up fingerprints very easily as well. Just opening it up to have a look. When we have a look inside, we are greeted with a power button on the right hand side, and the battery towards the top and front, Dell logo, a webcam and a single microphone, as well as a touchpad at the front. Other than that, that is all you've got.